Hello my friends, in this project we are making a simple traffic light. First I will use pin number 2 to assign it as an output, and the red LED is connected to this pin, and the yellow LED is number 4, and after that the green LED is connected to pin number 6. Now I'm setting the pin mode of red LED to output, and also for yellow and green LEDs. At the beginning the green LED will turn on, and after that, after 5 seconds, it will turn off, and now the yellow LED will blink 3 times, each time 1 second. Now when the blinking of yellow LED is ends and it turns off, and the red LED turns on, and after 5 seconds it will turn off, and after that the yellow LED will blink 3 times. And this sequence will continue as well. Now I'm compiling and programming the Arduino board, and after that we will see the results.